welcome back.
Nice to see
so
you.
excited to have you in my chair. Tell me what you've been up to.
Working out a bunch, as usual. Pulling my hair constantly, so trying to give her a little love today.
So I'm noticing a couple things. For one, I know that you're using the curl shampoo at home.
Yeah.
Sometimes these curl shampoos can be too over-moisturizing, leaving residue behind.
I notice that a lot.
Yes, and it's really important to have your scalp care regimen at home.
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn you on to something called Hooked. It's by Curl Wow, 100% clean shampoo. But not only does it completely clean the hair and make sure there's no residue left behind, it also has this root anchoring technology. So I know you pull your hair up constantly, probably every single day.
Every day.
So over time, it can weaken the hairline a little bit.
Okay.
And it can cause a little bit of breakage, shedding. This technology actually helps root anchor that. So what I mean, it's not going to shed so much, you're not going to have so much breakage. I think it's going to completely change your whole regime.
That's
so
amazing.
let's play with that.
Yeah.
I want to see what you think.
Okay.
And see if you notice a difference. So the main thing is always make sure your hair is completely wet before shampooing. I'm going to use Curl Wow's Hooked Shampoo. A lot of people tend to forget this hairline and just go straight into the back. But do make sure you cleanse that scalp properly all over. So it's sulfate free, and because of that, it's not stripping. It's not going to feel dry on the hair at all. And I know you use more of like a curly shampoo right now, so you're going to notice a huge difference with this one because it will give you that 100% clean feeling with no residue, and you won't feel a film at all in your hair.
Feels like really nice on my head.
You can even wash your hair 2 to 3 times with it, and it still won't feel like straw. If you don't see the shampoo lathering up completely, give it a rinse and shampoo it one more time.
Okay.
Sometimes you might even need 3 washes in a row. On top of it though, like we were talking about that root anchoring technology, I feel like that's so important because you do put your hair up. I think that's going to be a game changer for you. Now that I'm going in with the second, I can already tell the shampoo is like bubbling up a little bit more. So that tells me the hair is getting cleaner. That's kind of what you're looking for too at home. You want it to bubble up really well.
It's so hard too because so many people tell you like different things with how to wash your curly hair. Should I not wash it? How many times should I wash it?
That's why I love Curl Wow, because it doesn't matter what your curl type is. It's just one shampoo and it gets the job done.
That feels crazy.
So it doesn't leave behind any residue. You don't have that film, but it also does not feel like straw. So we're just gonna go in, condition, rinse thoroughly, and we're gonna go straight into styling. I really want you to feel your scalp. After cleansing your hair with Hooked, look at this volume that we're getting.
I see it already before even touching it. Like, even the back of my head, I struggle with it, like building up back there all the time, using my normal curly hair shampoo. Like, it always feels a little, and I always struggle with it keeping up, but it just looks so light and airy, and I love it so much.
It looks so
amazing.
good. I'm obsessed.